Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. We are back with more unboxing. I got the brand new Rayhaan fragrances, all three of them. Let's see which one is the best one. I also want to say thank you guys for the positive comments in the last video. It is so good to see that my reviews are actually helping people out and helping guide them into buying the correct fragrances for them. And I just want to make something clear, man. I am not a fan of overconsumption like this comment says right here. The reason why I can buy all of these colognes is because I built a system that allows me to profit from every cologne that I buy while still keeping my honesty. I don't sell out and I don't lie for my reviews. So I'm just buying for the love of the game and to help you guys out and review these fragrances because why not? It is fun and I love doing it. But yeah, if a cologne sucks, I'm gonna say it sucks, and if I love it, I'm gonna say that I love it. But I do recommend when you're buying cologne, choose wisely. Don't just buy every new release. So without further ado, man, let's start unboxing these fragrances. Which one we're gonna start with? I think we're gonna go with the most popular, which is this one. It is Rayhaan Aquatica. I've been seeing this one blow up everywhere on TikTok. These TikTokers, man, promoting it like crazy. People like Noel Thomas called cologne, and they're absolutely glazing it, man. But I don't know if to trust them because they got the little like commission for creator from the TikTok shop. We got the brand new Rayhaan Aquatica. I actually am a little bit late to the Rayhaan party. I missed out on the big ones like the Rayhaan Elixir, which clones the JPG. I only have Rayhaan Tropical Vibe and Adonis Icarus. So let's see what I've been missing out, man, because it seems like Rayhaan is on their way to becoming one of the biggest clone houses in the game right now. Let's check it out. I don't know, man. I don't know. I like it. I like it. It smells like tropical, a little bit creamy. Yes, I do smell the coconut, but honestly, the main notes that I smell is the lemon, the lime, and it's a little bit overpowering. I'm not gonna lie, man. It's really strong. It kind of just takes over the whole fragrance. I was wearing the new Rasasi Hawas Verde, which clones Search Off Torino 21 today in the gym, and I smell like a pure lemon, bro. Like I smell like a pure, like freshly squeezed lemon, and I kind of liked it, but at the same time, I kind of got bored of it. And this one's giving me a similar vibe, really acidic, man. It feels like you just like, you know, those sour candies. You want to make that face almost. I know it's supposed to have like coconut in there because I believe from what I heard from the TikTokers that this clones Birchen Island Water by Creed, which is really hyped up, like one of the best summer fragrances, niche fragrances, but I've never really tried it out. To me, this is not screaming best summer fragrance of all time. To me, this is giving just lemon, bro, like pure lemon. Maybe I need to let it sit down a little bit, dry down, but I'm not getting much aquatic notes, you know, like the name suggests. I was expecting more of a blue, citrusy, watery fragrance. A little bit more tropical with the coconut in there. I wanted it to be a little bit stronger. Honestly, I expected it to smell like a tropical vibe, which smells like coconut like a lot. So I feel a little bit lied to by all the reviews, man. I expected a completely different scent, and I got just a bunch of sour lemon. So first impressions, not a big fan, honestly. I'm a little bit disappointed. We're starting off on a bad note, man. We started the last video on a positive note, amazing notes, and this one, it's kind of I feel lied to, honestly. I do feel lied to, so I'm here to tell you guys, expect a lot of lemon from this one. So if you're a fan of lemon, then this one's for you. Hopefully it gets better, but for right now, I'm going to give it like a solid 5.5 out of 10. It's nice, citrusy, fresh, but really boring and really, it just smells like lemon, bro. What else can I say? I've repeated myself like 10 times already. So hopefully this next one is better. We got Rayhaan Terra, man. And I bought this because of Fragrance Flan, which always hypes up one of the Amouage Outlands, something like that. Honestly, all those bottles look the same, which he claims to be the best fragrance of all time. It is his favorite cologne, and apparently this clones it pretty well. I've gone to niche stores and smelled the Amouage bottles that he has, and I was honestly not a fan of any of them, so I'm not too excited. I feel like this one is a little bit more for personal taste, like him. He has some weird taste. I don't got the same taste, man, but let's see and let's hope. What do you guys think about Fragrance Flam, by the way? Like, he's cool, but he has like such expensive taste, and honestly I'm not a big fan of how like vulgar he talks. I know it's all personal taste, but like I feel like he overdoes it, bro. He curses every 5 seconds and it's not even funny, but I guess that's how he is, man. He is unapologetically himself, so that's what makes him so likable. So I respect him, man. I respect it. I'm not the biggest fan of his content, I'll be honest. But here we have Rayhaan Terra. These bottles are really cool, by the way. I don't know why they give me like church vibes or like Shrek vibes. I don't know why. Maybe like the church where Fiona was gonna get married to that little guy. Some medieval times, some dragon times, but let's check out the smell, man. Let's see how it smells. Am I gonna get hate for what I said about Fragrance Flan, man? Hopefully not, because I'm not saying he's not a cool guy. I'm just saying his content's not for me. Really strong, really strong. You know what? It's not as bad as I thought. Not as bad as I thought. It smells a little bit dirty, earthy, spicy, maybe a little bit of rose in there, a little bit of oud. I don't know why, it kind of reminds me of like oud satin mood, but a little bit more wearable. It sounds weird, but it smells a little bit clean and dirty at the same time. You know, it smells dirty in the sense of like masculine, you know, like a rough masculine guy, but clean as in like he takes care of himself, and he actually sprayed some cologne, you know. So it's kind of in the middle. It's a little bit of a weird cologne, a little bit of a weird type of scent. Honestly, yeah, I'm a fan because this is not my type of style, but I can actually appreciate this one, and I feel like I can actually pull it off if I'm feeling a little bit spicy, man. Like if I want to dress up a more masculine smell. It does not smell like typical oud fragrances, you know, like the ones that smell like feces, like farts. It does not smell too animalic. It is not synthetic at all, man. It is not headache inducing, which is a big problem I have for like incensey, spicy cologne. So I respect it. I respect it. You know what, Fragrance Flan, I give you props, even though I don't like the Amouage fragrances, but maybe like you said, I need to like actually dry it down a little bit because the opening is a little bit harsh. So I'll give you props. This one's actually a good fragrance for people who have that type of taste, you know, the spicy, masculine, dirty, earthy type of smell. But I'm impressed. Definitely better than Aquatica, which is a little bit out of character for me. Usually I thought I was gonna like this one more, man. I was like, oh, Virgin Island water, coconut, lime, fresh, oceanic. I'm about to love this one. But somehow I ended up liking this weird Rayhaan Terra more than Aquatica. What can I say, man? I'm just being honest, and this one impressed me way more than Aquatica. And we got the last one. We got Rayhaan Obsidian. Now I'm not sure which one it clones. I believe people are saying Dior Homme Intense, which I don't own a bottle, but I have smelt it, so let's see if it's actually true. What you guys think about brands releasing all of these colognes at the same time, by the way? Like Rayhaan released 3 brand new colognes, Rasasi launched Cobra and Malibu and Verde and all those, and then Benham and Outlands, and some of them are not even out yet. What you guys think about brands doing that, or would you rather prefer them like release one and then like 4 months later another one, and then 4 months later another one? Let me know. As a consumer, I prefer taking little month breaks, but as a video maker, content creator, why not, man? I get a whole video dedicated to Rayhaan fragrances. Say less. Let's see how this one smells, man. Hopefully it's the best for last. Let's check it out. Ooh, I actually like this one. Hold up. I feel like I've smelled this before, but I don't know where. I feel like this is so common, man. I feel like, ooh, I can't point the finger on it, but I feel like I've smelled this, especially on like Ulta or Sephora. To me, it has similarities or resemblance to like a Valentino or like a YSL L'Homme. It's a little bit spicier than Prada L'Homme. I know Dior Homme has iris in it, but I can see it blended more in there with the spices, because it doesn't smell like the iris does not smell as powdery, as clean as it does on fragrances like Prada L'Homme. You can still smell it, man. You can still smell it. And this one, it smells a little bit more makeup-y than powdery, if that makes sense. It feels a little bit more bold. It feels more bold, man. It feels like it's mixed in there with some citruses, maybe some bergamot. I don't know why. To me, I feel like this one is more, oh, it's so weird, man. I can't put my finger on it, but I like it, man. Don't get me wrong. It smells a little bit feminine. I don't know why. I know Dior Homme is like really masculine, but it feels a little bit feminine for some reason. I do like it, man. I do like it. This probably can be my favorite one. I don't know why. Maybe it's just I'm boring like that. I like my designer smells, but this one is the most mass appealing in my opinion. The one that's gonna get you the most compliments, which at the end of the day is what most people care about. At least that's what I care about. I know people love colognes and fragrances for the art. They want to appreciate niche fragrances, the smell of niche colognes. They love the art of Creed. They love the art of Amouage. I love the art of Dior, man. What can I say? I love smelling good and I love getting compliments. Oh, I know what it is. It smells like YSL Myself, man. It smells like YSL Myself, Le Absolute, or like the Eau de Parfum. All of them, honestly, all of them smells like myself. Maybe it has some orange blossom in there. It kind of resembles orange blossom and iris. So a little bit floral, and it has some characteristics to the Valentino fragrances, which is the reason why it smells like a compliment getter monster. So yeah, man, I guess if you want a mixture of YSL Myself, Valentino, and Dior Homme Intense, then Rayhaan Obsidian is your best choice. Again, around $45. Not a bad fragrance. Is it gonna be my favorite? No, but I respect it. My favorite between all these. I think I forgot to rank Terra. I'm gonna give it like a 6.5 out of 10, and I'm gonna give Rayhaan Obsidian like a 7.5 out of 10. So I guess to conclude the video, I mean, they're already ranked from worst to best. If you want a really citrusy lemon smell, really sour, just a little bit aquatic, then get Rayhaan Aquatica. If you want the most masculine, niche smelling fragrance, then get Rayhaan Terra. And if you want the most mass appealing, the most compliment getter, the best one for getting attention and for you to keep sniffing yourself because you smell good, then get the brand new Rayhaan Obsidian. So there we go, man. If you want to sample these colognes before you commit to a full bottle, you can sample them on my sampling website, smellbettersamples.com. I'll probably create like a little bundle one. I'll do a little discount and add like the Rayhaan Discovery set. You can follow me on TikTok too. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know what Rayhaan you're excited to try or to blind buy. Yeah, man, thank you for watching. Just smell better.